Make a great choice today with the 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, rear view camera, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.